actually going to go in with the Revolution Mattify Boost first. This is a cream, and obviously for night outs, my skin routine, if you guys have watched it, if not, where have you been? What have you been doing? So my nighttime and my daytime routine are totally different in regards to my skin. So I make sure that my skin is not oily, obviously both of the times, but I use different products obviously if I'm going out, if I'm going on a date, if I'm, I don't know, just, yeah. If I want to be bougie, then obviously there are going to be more products on my face. So obviously I need to take care of my face because it is acne prone. If you're actually going to go in with our brows. Now our brows, usually we do them quite fluffy, so that's what we're going to do today. So what you want to do is get the Ultra Glued Schwarzkopf, put it onto your hand, what is my speech today? Rub your spoolie in with the gel and just brush up. And it creates that feathered look that a lot of people love. So, ladies and gents, I have a lot here and I should have sorted it out. I will show you the box of goodies. That's my makeup box and I have 3 of them. Please don't judge. Thank you. It's like if I went into, like, I don't know if you guys have seen the film. Everything's falling. I don't know if you guys have seen the film, but there's a film called 27 Dresses, and she has to go into like, it's kind of like when you go in and like admit something, so like you have an addiction kind of thing. And
hello everybody, I'm Rebecca Bloomwood.
Hi Rebecca.
I just actually came here as a favor to a friend. I mean, I like shopping. Is there anything so wrong with that? I mean, stores are put there to enjoy.
It literally sounded like, I'm Alicia and I'm addicted to makeup. But who could stop me? No one. Where is it? Ah. So, I don't know if I have told you guys, if you do follow me on Instagram, well done. Kudos to you guys. If you don't, what are you doing here? Follow me. Go follow me. The links are here right now. Just follow. I've actually been using 2 different things. So I've used the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. Noticed it's very, very, very good for acne prone skin. You literally need that much, so it's not even like a lot, and it's basically like a cream. Like I said, yes, we have used a cream, but this is a primer. So we're just gonna put this on. Okay, cute. So guys and girls, what we're going to do, which might be different for this one because you guys have always seen me do my foundation last, what we're actually going to do is do my foundation first. So what we're going to do is use our Ordinary. This is in the colour 2.1 White Medium. I used this one because Jordan Lipscomb had, I think, 2.1p and then 2.1p and 2.1y, and this one seemed really good, and I'm not gonna lie, it has been my favourite foundation I've ever used. Okay, so wet our Amazon sponge, really good sponge by the way, and what I usually use is 2 pumps of this. So we just put it on the hand, we never pump onto the face. And it's quite watery. When I first used it, like, it just runs off the hand, but it's really, really good. It's really good coverage as well. Like, can you guys see? It's amazing coverage though. I love this. Literally love this foundation, because the thing with me, I obviously, if you have been following, if not, why. I love this foundation because it's full coverage, but it's not loads. It's not too much into your face, which I do adore and I do love. Okay, so next thing, what we're going to do is obviously our wonderful contour. Our contour we're using in the F14 Revolution stick. This looks very dark. Like, let me just show you guys. I think I picked the wrong shade, but your girl's got you covered because you can only use the slightest amount, so win-win, don't have to use that much. So what we're going to do is just dot around here, dot it underneath there, and just basically like follow it. I don't like loads of stuff on my face just because why would you cake your face when you're already born beautiful, guys? Why? Okay. This is the Too Faced bronzing palette. Obviously I have used it quite a lot. It's my baby. I got it from London when I went. I think this is in the shade dark. So what we're going to use is the Bake Off brush. And what we're going to do is just suck in our cheeks and brush up. Don't brush up and down. I learnt that trick from... Why is my mind fully... Like, I hate when that happens. I literally had his name in my head and I can't remember it. Is pinching the brush so I get more of an edge towards the brush, and just do the bottom as well. The next thing what we're going to do is obviously our concealer, so we're going to use the Supersize Conceal and Define in C10.5, and we're going to do our little concealing hack. Lovely. And again, just buffer that out. What we're going to do is our eyes. I was thinking to use like the purpley shade here, or I do have the Anastasia ones and I just don't know. I don't know. I'm spoiled for choice, guys. Spoiled. I think I will use the JACLYN palette and just see how I go. If it goes wrong, then yay me! Yay me! I love Disney, literally. What we're going to do is go in with Certified and use the round blend, and we're just going to go in, just create our base. Obviously don't use concealer. If you want to you can, but because Robert Welsh, that is his name, that's his name. Don't brush up and down. I learnt that trick from... Anyway, yeah, so he doesn't actually use concealer on the eyes because he says, you know, why are we putting stuff that is wet onto our eye that's supposed to be drying it? Which kind of makes sense. So why are we putting concealer on our eyes and then thinking that it's going to last all day when it doesn't? So that makes sense. So I never use concealer and it's never done me wrong. So please don't mind my brushes. But we're going to go in with the Morphe M433 and we're going to probably go into Therapy Sesh, and because this is a pastel eye, we're going to dip that so lightly and just start blending our eyeshadow. I don't know why I do that thing where I pause for so long and I'm like trying to think of what to say. there's literally no product on here, but there is. Do you get me? Cool. I hope I'm making sense. Otherwise I may as well just quit. Okay, so I'm literally picking the tiniest product, using the same brush and going around, and obviously this won't be one of the like flicked looks, so you can go underneath, and because I haven't done my highlight yet, it doesn't matter how far I go, because then I can kind of like make a gist of it. But do you see, like, there's not that much product, but there is. I should really put that on a t-shirt. I'm actually going to go in as well with Lolly Mama and just tap that in. I'm literally using the same brush, but I really like this. So it's very subtle, but what we're going to do, because it is a night out, we're going to get our Urban Decay all-nighter and we're going to use the Sketch It Out, and we're just going to spray. I just sprayed my trousers. Well done, Alicia. Literally ridiculous. I haven't used it. I don't know if you guys remember this, but I haven't used it. Literally have not used it. It looks like I've used it. I haven't touched it in years. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills PRIZM palette, and I'm actually going to go in probably with, you know what, let's do Dimension. Dimension is like this really cute purpley colour. I'm going to go in and just pop that into the corner, so it just gives it like a nice popping colour. But yeah, so next time you see me I'll have lashes on, but if you don't know how to apply lashes, I have done a tutorial on how to clean them and reuse them, so give that a watch whilst you're waiting for me to do that. What we're going to use is our Fenty Bomb Glow, and we're just going to pop that on, circular motions, and again circular motions, that like catch the light, don't just keep it like where you should. Again, like I said, night out look. After Glam, we are using the Charlotte Tilbury Glow and Bronze. Love the packaging, absolutely stunning. This is the Sculpt and Highlight. I'm just going to use the highlight. And just double up on our highlight, because you can never have too much. And that just, oh, packaging, formula, literally everything about Charlotte Tilbury is perfection. Literal, complete perfection. Okay, that's in there. So we are going to go in with our Revolution blush. This is not coming off. I was just scared I wasn't recording then, but I am. Oh my god, what is wrong with this? Oh my god. This is in the shade Lovestruck. Just do it very lightly. Next thing is something different. We're going to start with lips, but we have this. This was given to me by Jade Pierce. I have like quite a lot of her stuff, and she basically like was selling it off, so I got this from Jade Pierce and I've never used it again. Well, I've never used it, and she asked me like what shade of foundation I was, and she gave me this, and I wasn't asking, I literally didn't even know this was coming in the thing. And you've got different, oh god, you've got different lipsticks here. So I don't know what's gonna go well with this look. Colours are, I like it, I'm upset, fast as you, 1000%, I ain't bad at ya, and Girl Gang. And the one that I'm actually going to use is I Like It, which is the top swatch. So these are all really creamy, really pigmented. Yeah, I absolutely love them. So what we're going to use is the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Lip Liner in Sandstorm. And we're going to line, just to outline our lip. So we're just going to get this. It's really, really creamy and really good. So the colour is quite prominent on my lip and I kind of want to settle that down. I'm going to use Mannequin, there we go, and put it in the centre of our lip and just at the top as well. Looks a bit crazy, but trust the process. And just buff that out. Where is everything? I swear. When you need everything, it never comes. When you need everything, it never comes. What? When you need stuff, you can never find it. There we go. So I'm just gonna gloss our lips. This is Oh My Gloss, and it's a 6-hour stay. So I just popped some earrings on just to go with the whole outfit, but this is it. So this is one of probably the best eye looks I've ever created. I don't know why I've never done this before, but what is wrong with my voice today? But literally, that is amazing. Oh, forgot spray. Oh, I always forget that step and then I do it off camera, I don't know why, but remember to do that. But yeah, I absolutely love this. So I just paired the earrings. These are from Pretty Little Thing. So yeah, I really hope you like this. I love this look. It's definitely like a date night vibe, definitely a going out vibe, but it's subtle. So if you guys don't like too much on your eyes, too much colour, too much, I don't know, glitter, how can you not like glitter? But I understand sometimes you don't want to make that much effort. 100% this is the look for you. So this is absolutely stunning, really, really quick time. You can do this in a matter of seconds. Always good. So if you do like this look, then please like, share and subscribe. As well, there is a bell button down below so you get a notification whenever I upload a new video, as well as the Black Lives Matter petitions, which are always down in the comments. Comment if you do like this look, if you've tried this look, if you want to do something and recreate one of my looks, then please showcase that in the comments or even tag me and I will see everything that you recreate. So I will leave you with that. So all love and positivity to everyone who is watching this. Please stay safe and I love you guys. See you. Bye.